Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to do a little experiment on different classes of SD memory cards. Apparently over the years we've been having many different types of SD cards coming in. I've managed to find myself a very first release class 1 and then 2, and then we have a class 4 over here, and then class 10, the recent ones. And we're going to see if that's just another marketing ploy or is there something to it. Well, let's jump quite into it. Now I'm going to start off with the standard type. Let's see if we can that's the SanDisk 1 GB, the good old one that I found lying around somewhere. Now in the beginning I'm going to just go with the continuous shooting mode. The right indicator is over here in this camera, and obviously things we're going to see in the display, and I'm using my good old trusty remote shutter release for this. So there we go. That's taking shots. I'm maybe expecting it to stop at some stage if there's a buffer overrun. So that didn't stop. Now let me quickly make the image size to RAW plus large. That's as large as the file will ever get in this camera. So here we go. There, it stopped. The red light is on. 3 shots is what we got. Still writing. There, the display came on. Still writing, still writing. Okay, there we go. I think we've stopped. Now here's another thing that I wanted to show you is the video mode. I've already set it up to full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second, and off we go. So see the light coming up over here, it's constantly on. There we go. The movie recording has been stopped automatically. It does not write fast enough to do the job. Okay, so let's just jump up a class. This time we got a SanDisk class 2. See that little circle with 2 written on it? That denotes that this is a class 2 product. Okay, I'll just quickly stick that in. Alright, so we are in the video mode. Let's see how the video goes. There, it's busy. Started writing. Oh, straight away it stopped, and the light was on completely, still on. It's probably started writing and then saw that it couldn't write anymore. Okay, let's go back to the shooting mode. There we go. It's again RAW plus large. There we go. 3 shots. No, 4 shots. But anyhow, the writing light is on, and we're still waiting. There we go. The shot came on. Still writing, still writing, still writing. While that does, our next contender is a class 4. Mind you, the brands are different. This is not a comparison of brand, just the classes. Those memory sticks I've tested with other cameras, they're all fine. It does the job. As we can see, it does the job, except that to its specification. They're fine for like little trusty old cameras like these ones over here, the little point and shoot, which I often carry for those where's the camera when you need one moment. Okay, so now we are testing the class 4. Same treatment. I'll press the shutter release. 4 shots again, and the buffer is jammed pretty much. There we go. It's writing, it's writing, it's writing. This time the screen came on a little bit quickly. There, but still writing. Okay, so it's written. Now if we jump onto the video mode, started the video, the lights come on, movie recording has been automatically stopped, and the light is still glowing. There we go. So for shooting we can use class 4 as we saw with the other ones as well, but as it turns out we cannot do high data rate stuff that we tried to do. Now the next contender is the class 10. I'm jumping a class, skipping the class 6. I couldn't find one, so let's straight away go to class 10 product here. So this supposedly should do the trick. Right, so we were in video mode, so might as well give the video a go, and off we go. There, see, the light has come on and it is blinking on and off and on and off, and this indicates a rhythmic write function happening over there. It's not filling up the buffer, it's not overloading the systems, there's no clog or a bottleneck of data. Smooth stream, which is what we see. So I expect this videoing to run I expect this videoing to run like till the length it goes for. I believe this camera has a limit of 29 minutes or something like that, but for the purpose of this video testing, it shows that this one did not stop, it's going on, and this was the class 10 one. Okay, so I'll stop it. Now let's go to the other shooting mode, see if we notice any difference. Same treatment, I'll be holding the shutter here. 4 shots is all it takes. So that those files are pretty large. I believe those are like 16, 17. Oh, but it came back really quickly. Let's do that again. 4 shots, lights on. There we go, and it's come back. So as far as response goes, the 10X is better in the sense that it is able to do the full HD 1080p recording, and the write speed, as we saw, is much faster. However, there are other SD cards which are of higher bandwidth capacity. They measure them in X, like this class 10 one is a 133x of my memory. There are 150 and so forth. It goes all the way up to 600x. Some of them call them ultra high speed, and so forth. The different manufacturers have different way of denoting the high bandwidth capacity and so forth. And yes, you do pay a premium for that, but if raw shooting is your thing and you do continuous shooting, like in case of sports and things like that, you need those high bandwidth capable SD cards. However, if those don't matter to you, class 10 is just a good product. But yes, as I have demonstrated, standard class 1, 2, 4, perhaps even class 6. I do not have class 6, so I couldn't say that outright, but full HD video recording is definitely not in for those three fella. So yes, there is a difference. That's the conclusion. And the fact that these tend to get more expensive as you go up the classes, you are paying the premium for certain reason. So that was our short experiment today regarding SD cards. For more video reviews and other unboxing videos and so forth, please visit us at www.salesburg.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.